What's going on, guys? So we got 3 flips for you today. 3 more golf carts. This first one's down in Miami. It literally broke on the test drive. It wouldn't work at all, but it kind of worked out. You guys will see. But let's get right into it. Let's hit the road. How we feeling? Feeling good. Ready to make some money. 2 hours. We're running about an hour late right now.
Yeah, and he said he gets these carts from Venezuela in a shipping crate overseas. So it's like...
So we're getting them dirt cheap, and he like builds them up. I guarantee you he's getting these frames for like $900.
Because they're actually in good condition. Like when he finishes them, they look good, dude. The last one, the white one we bought, like I said, we got it for 41, sold it for 65 the next day.
Yeah, we hadn't sold a 6-seater yet, so we were really kind of iffy on this cart, and we made $2,400.
It was our best flip yet, dude.
We were like genuinely, you know, thinking about walking away, and he could tell, I guess, and he was just trying to get rid of it quick. You know, he made at least 1,000, probably $2,000 on it. When we first texted him, we're like, hey, we want to come look at this, you know, we'll throw a deposit, come check it out, yada, yada, yada. And he just said, okay. So we're like, is this guy real? His Facebook, his name is Toto Toto, and his picture is like some kid, and his post is in Spanish. So I think that's why nobody really hit him up, and we're like, hey, we'll take a look at it.
Oh, I made this get tray.
How's it going? Hey, ¿cómo estás?
These pictures is the internet.
Okay, yeah.
But I have it, this car. 2
Yeah. Coming in or now?
No, I working for the car. I put in new seats. The pace perfect.
You
The
have
body,
here?
Perfect.
You have here now? Or no?
No.
Oh, coming.
Maybe coming now. You like it?
Yeah, I mean, it's not quite this one, you know.
I like it. This is
much nicer.
my nice.
But for the right price. Yeah, all we're doing here is making sure it feels good. It's just gotta last us like a 2-minute little test drive, and then to buy.
Hit it full speed. Pretty loud.
So
Isn't that engine loud?
yeah, you can hear it. You know, they're usually a little quieter than this. But these little things, dude, people don't even notice them. They get all excited about buying a car, and this thing rips. This is like 15 to 20 miles an hour right here. Brakes, kind of same thing. They're better than the last one, but you got to shove on the brakes. I like it, dude. The seats are not quite as good as we thought. We'll wash them up. This thing will sell for 8.
Yeah,
It's selling
82.
to us for 55. We're not gonna haggle on the price. We want this guy every time
It's got
he gets something like
blinkers.
this to give it to us. You know, the batteries are brand new.
It says club car, but the brand is Easy Go. Really? Some shit you just came up with. I don't think so, man. She rips, dude. You wanna get a little flyby? Toto. Turn it off and back on. No, I mean he probably knows what's wrong. He's coming. All right, so Toto just saw us to his backyard. I think he's gonna come over here and try to diagnose this.
No. Disconnect. Maybe you can put it in the cover.
Oh, unplug?
Yeah. Move this.
Oh, this thing unplugged?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, move it. I put it in the cover. Maybe move
Okay.
the connector.
Okay.
Put it.
Oh, yeah.
I put it inside of.
Sweet.
Put it.
All right, we'll meet you back around.
have 5. I have 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Maybe we could pick up all 3 of them from you.
Okay.
They all look good. 5,100, 550.
Yeah, a 6-seater.
We went to Miami. And I saw this on the way up there. I was like, nice. It looks good, dude. Like, look at the dash. Like, that looks brand new dash. I mean, the lights all work. The batteries are new. The seats are great.
Seats are really nice.
It's missing a windshield, and like, look, you can see some of these imperfections.
It really looks like spray paint.
You know, like, you got the drip falling. It's a spray paint special.
But I can't lose.
This one we got for $2,950. That one we got for $5,500. We're thinking we can sell this one for probably $3,500 to $3,800. On this one we might get $8,000 off of. This thing is looking super clean.
How many hertz do you sell a week?
What do you think?
This month we've done what, 12 cars?
Yeah.
Something like that. How much is that? 3,600.
Yeah,
I appreciate it, guys. Thank you again. Yeah.
Pleasure.
Hey, good meeting you guys.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
keep
All right,
in
take
touch.
care,
Keep
bro.
in
Yeah.
touch.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll be sending you more stuff.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
We're going to the bank right now. We are sold out after today. We are delivering our last cart, that white cart, 6-seater. Nice trailer. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we just got it not too long ago.
How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. I like the house. You right on the water here?
I am.
Nice.
Yeah, I bought it about a year ago, and I put a new roof on it, painted the outside, put a new driveway in, and I'm doing this landscaping. Count it if you
What is this?
want. This is D7.
71?
And 71, 100 for the delivery too.
I think realistically, I think we're gonna make $2,000 in less than 2 days. The guy said this has fresh paint, new wires, new batteries. We're going tonight. We should make at least 1,000, maybe 2,000 on this cart. We just saw it on Facebook and it looked like we could sell it for 65, 7,000. All right, we just got here 4,900. I'm gonna see if we can sneak $100 off of this thing. I doubt it's gonna happen though. This guy's been holding this car for us for a while, so we'll see.
Yeah, New Forest did some work on it, repainted it. He didn't have the top on it. When I threw the top on, there's a bumper that goes on. How's it going?
How you doing?
But yeah, all the seats have been reupholstered.
Wow, look at this thing.
Yeah, changed some stereo, 5-gate speakers, fishing rod poles.
Yeah, I like the fish rod pole.
Yeah.
And the speaker is working, everything good?
Yeah.
Cart looks really good, beautiful. I can't believe he's only asking $4,900 for this thing.
Someone's gonna love
Yeah, he said he had a ton of people hitting him up.
Brakes good.
So we got here quick. We're the first ones to look at it. I'm gonna see if he'll take 48. Just be like, dude, can we take 48 just because of the batteries and the windshield? Is that cool? Got all hundreds. Actually, I don't have all hundreds. Yeah, this thing looks good. We'll make 1,500, $2,000 on this thing.
Just what you're buying. Just says this is what it is.
I appreciate it.
Hey, yeah.
Pleasure meeting you. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
All right.
Glad we made it work out.
Yeah. It's in 1999, but I think the guy redid it in 2020. The batteries, he said, might be 2015. He bought it for 49. I bet you this is gone for 72 in 4 days.
Give him a view of that. Come on. Give him a view of that.
All right, this guy's kind of looking at us through the window, so we're gonna get out of here, but we stole this thing once again. Stole it. So a lot of people say 1999 and they're like, I don't want to spend, you know, 7-8 grand on something that was made 22 years ago. I mean, everything looks brand new on it. It's got speakers on it, looks super clean. So we might leave the year off, but as far as I go, if there's no year on it, I don't even bother with it, you know, most of the time, because I know it's super old. All right, well, I just dropped off that blue cart. Forgot to film it because I don't really know why, but look at that little number right there. 6,600. All right, guys, thank you for watching. We made some pretty good money on that one. Next video, we made even more money. I don't know what it was, 2,500, something like that. Good money. I think this is our record trip, but we went up north. We went to Georgia and Alabama. So subscribe. We got a bunch more videos for you guys. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. Like, you know the deal. Share it. Share it.